Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Smartsheet automation triggers after failures step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and log into your account. Navigate to the specific sheet where the automation triggers failed. Click on the Automation tab located at the top of the screen. Select Manage Automation from the drop-down menu. In the Automation Manager, locate the failed triggers. Click on the Failed section to view details of each failure. Review the error messages associated with each failure. Identify the root cause of the trigger failure. Make necessary adjustments to the sheet or trigger conditions based on the error messages. Select the failed automation trigger that you wish to restore. Click on the Edit button to modify the trigger settings. Ensure that the trigger conditions are correctly defined. Check if any required fields have been cleared or are missing. Once adjustments are made, click Save to apply changes. Return to the Automation Manager and confirm the status of the trigger. Test the automation by manually running it or updating relevant data. Monitor the trigger to ensure it functions correctly going forward. If issues persist, revisit the error messages and repeat the troubleshooting process. Finally, document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.